You just found the 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This affordable, fuel-efficient Crosstrek gives you all the features you need to keep up with your busy lifestyle. All-wheel drive, flexible interior space, a smooth car-like ride, and impressive connectivity help you tackle every project with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Feel ready to take on your day in this well-equipped Crosstrek. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.